Miss Universe South Africa is 25 years of age from the Eastern Cape. She advocates for natural beauty and self-acceptance. Should she win Miss Universe, Zozibini Tunzi will bring joy at her home village in Eastern Cape. These are some of her pictures. Look at the face. Her look is jaw-dropping.
Zozi Tunzi!
I'm done with the drinking, I'm done with the smoking, I'm done with the playing, I'm done with the joking, I'm done with the ladies, I'm done with the fellas, just saying. Farewell tequila, so long margarita, lady sativa, I hate to leave ya, don't want the pressure, I don't need a lecture. No thank you honey, God bless ya. I know, I've said it all before, but it won't hurt to do it all once more. This is my last hurrah. Once I start, I ain't gonna stop till I go too far. Last hurrah, and it's okay. Maybe tomorrow I won't feel this pain. Last hurrah.
In a tropical depression, when somber clouds call out your name, have faith in your direction. You'll find sunshine through the rain. When you're fighting for